Still celebrating the men in blue and the world champions. You can't get over that amazing sporting weekend, right? Cricketing weekend. So we'll, of course, be reeling in that through the course of the day and perhaps the week. But for now, let's get our own sportspersons on board, our entire research team, to help you with the list of top 10 stocks as we begin a brand new day of trade. First, let me welcome Sonal to talk about Godrej Properties and Signature Global. Sonal, good morning.
Good morning, Sonia. Well, Godrej Properties, the expansion plans pan-India continues, and they've gone ahead and bought two land parcels. The first one is in Bengaluru. They have acquired 7 acres of land. This is on outright basis, and here the development will be done for a high-end residential project. The developable potential is 9 lakh square feet and estimated revenue potential is 1200 crore rupees. The second land is on leasehold basis. It is an 11-acre land in Pune. Developable area is 2.2 million square feet with a revenue potential of 1800 crore rupees. For Signature Global, one of their huge projects, a luxury project in Gurugram, that is the one which has received good launch response. They've been able to do bookings of 2700 crores just on the launch day. So going with green on both these names.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Sonal. Well, Hormuz joins us to run us through a couple of stocks that he's tracking, namely Medicure, Orchid Pharma as well. Hormuz, take us through the list.
Good morning, Nigel. And as you mentioned, a couple of pharma names. We'll start off with Medicure, and the board there has approved raising funds, and that they are doing it through a QIP worth up to 1,000 crore rupees. So we'll keep that on our radar this morning. But Orchid Pharma has partnered with Cipla to launch an antibiotic called Cefepime and Metazobactam in India, and this drug is used in the treatment of complicated urinary tract infections. So that is a partnership that Orchid Pharma has signed in India for launching and marketing this drug in the country. And lastly, Zydus Life, because they've signed a licensing agreement to co-market the pertuzumab biosimilar, which is a critical treatment for breast cancer, and they market this drug. Both these companies, both Dr. Reddy's and Zydus, would market this drug in India. Zydus would market this under the name Sigrima, while Dr. Reddy's will market this product under the name Vomab. And Zydus, based on this agreement, will get an upfront licensing income, and they would also get some milestone-based payments based on the achievement of certain milestones. So positive developments for both these pharma companies, but expect all of these 3 stocks, including Medicure, to open in the green today.
All right, thanks very much for that. Well, let's go to Sonal now. GAIL and Neogen Chemicals will be in focus. Sonal, good morning.
Good morning, Prashant. Well, GAIL will be in focus because one of the important pipelines, 2 of them, that's where the commissioning date has been rescheduled. One is the Jagdishpur Haldia Bokaro Dhamra pipeline. The next one is Dhamra Haldia pipeline. The completion schedule has been shifted from June 2024 to March 2025 now. For Neogen Chemicals, there's a stake sale by the promoters of the company. They have sold 5.67% stake in the company, and the existing shareholders, the likes of White Oak Group and SBI Mutual Fund, have acquired the stake. So these 2 stocks will be in focus.
Okay, thanks a lot, Sonal, for that. Vamakshi is joining in this morning to give us some other stocks that are in the news. Vamakshi, good morning.
Well, good morning, Sonia. Let me first start off with IREDA. Good operational update coming in from the company for the first quarter. Loan sanction was up nearly 3.8 times YOY at 9,136 crores. Even the loan disbursements saw an uptick of almost 68% YOY, coming in at 5,320 crores. Resultantly, the loan book saw an uptick of almost 34%, and the loan book now stands at 63,150 crores. Bodes well for IREDA. Expect the stock to open higher today. Credit Access Grameen is the next counter on our radar. They have completed a direct assignment transaction amounting to 333 crores during the month of June. Entire direct assignment pool qualifies for the priority sector treatment. Vodafone Idea expected to open higher today after Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio hiked their tariffs. We have Vodafone Idea also raising its tariff, and the tariffs have been raised anywhere between 10 to 23%, and this will be effective 4th of July. So this also bodes well for Vodafone Idea. Expect the stock to open higher today.
All right, Vamakshi, thanks a lot for that. Well, here's a quick recap of all the top stocks that we just covered for you. Stocks with positive news flow. They include Godrej Properties, Signature Global, Medicure, Orchid Pharma, Zydus Life, IREDA, Credit Access Grameen, and Vodafone Idea. While the bonds with negative news flow include GAIL as well as Neogen Chemicals. Well, that's the top 10 list that we're looking at. But just